Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your assets with Vanguard detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the asset transfer process with Vanguard, log in to your Vanguard account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by visiting the Vanguard website. Once logged in, navigate to the My Accounts section. Look for the Transfer Assets option. Click on Transfer Assets to view the transfer options available. Select whether you are transferring from another brokerage or from an existing Vanguard account. For transfers from another brokerage, choose Transfer from another firm. You will now need to provide details about the account you are transferring from. Gather your current brokerage's information, including the account number and the type of account. Fill in the required fields with the requested information accurately. Next, you'll be prompted to select the assets you wish to transfer. Decide whether you want to transfer your entire account or select specific investments. If you choose to transfer specific investments, indicate your selection. Once you have confirmed your choices, read through the important details and disclosures. After reviewing, agree to the terms and conditions for the transfer. Provide any additional documentation or signatures that may be required. Once your application is complete, submit it through the Vanguard platform. Vanguard will initiate the transfer process with your previous brokerage. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the status of your transfer. It may take several days to weeks for the transfer to be completed. You will receive a notification once your assets have been successfully transferred. After the transfer is complete, review your Vanguard account to ensure all assets are in place. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Vanguard's customer support for assistance. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred your assets to Vanguard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.